Hey guys, it's Karen Merrow. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you a Clickbank affiliate marketing training for beginners. And if this is your first time to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to make money from home, and how to have freedom choices to do what you love. And if those are topics of interest to you, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos, which right now is on a daily basis. With that being said, let's go ahead and get into the content. This is information you can use for Clickbank or other affiliate offers, but we're just going to use Clickbank as an example. I'm going to give you a step-by-step training on how to market Clickbank products without a website, but also with no cost. So you're going to go, first of all, you're going to pick a niche, and there's 3 areas that will make you the most money. That's health, wealth, and relationships. And that is because these are areas in which people have the most problems. So you're going to have a product that solves their problem. Okay, so you would go to Clickbank, and we're not going to get into exactly how to pick it, but you would go into the marketplace and click on whatever category you want here, or you could just simply not pick a category, click on the search here, and this is like the best-selling one on Clickbank right now is the Fat Belly Fix. It's the most popular. And then you can just go down, you see the gravity is 141. That means 141 affiliates have made a sale in the last 30 days. And a lot of things having to do with health and fitness and losing weight. So you would pick a niche and a product that you want to promote, and then you're going to create a website. You can use Wix.com right here, or you can use WordPress.com. Those are 2 places you can go. Also, after that, you're going to create an article. Now this is the most important thing, because this is going to be where you're going to drive traffic to. It's going to be an article that first of all talks about what the problem is that the person has, and then you're going to offer a solution to that problem. Then you're going to have a closing where you're going to offer a discount to your product. I'm going to give you an example. This was, I found this one, they're promoting a Clickbank product for red tea detox, which is actually a very good product to promote. And they don't have it exactly the way that I said to do it, which I believe is the best way, because you get them hooked at the very beginning when you talk about their problem, because people they're searching for an answer to their problem. So when you hook them right away and you talk about their problem and how bad it is, then that gets them hooked right away. And then of course you give them a solution to that and a discount. But you can add banners on the right hand side to your article that you can get through Clickbank from the affiliate link. Like right here, you can see they have an affiliate page. They'll have all these things where you can use on your site. Let's see. Okay, so then they offer bonuses, and then when you buy through their program, you get 3 booklets and qualify for all the bonuses if you click here. And then they have the banner here. So this is just an example of what you would do. You take some good time in making it look good and having good information on there. So that would be where you're going to drive traffic to. So how are you going to get traffic? I'm going to give you 4 ways to get traffic that cost you nothing. Okay, the first one is to go to Quora.com and answer questions. Okay, let's go to Quora. Okay. Then this is a place where people come, ask questions. So you can search in here in your particular niche, what kind of questions are being asked. So if you type in health, or you could type in, let's just see if anything comes up for belly fat or belly fat loss. How do you lose belly fat? So you can see that come in here, people are asking questions. You can go in and provide a solution, and then you're going to link out to your, let's see what they said here, link out to your page that gives a solution. Okay, so they went to a long answer here, but you're just going to give a good answer and then link out to your site here. So that's the first way. The second way is to go to Facebook groups and search. Go to Facebook groups and answer questions. So you would search in your niche, like you'd go to Facebook and search, let's say you're promoting a health product, you're going to go and look for health and fitness groups. Okay, hold on. You have to go health group. Women's health group. Okay. So you can see there's a lot of different health groups, and you'll go in there and people are going to be asking questions about health, and you're going to be answering their questions, and they're going to link out to your site here. So that's the second one. Third one is to go to forums in your niche and answer questions. So you can search like top forums, go to Google, top forums in health or whatever your niche is, in relationships, and then go in. People will be asking questions. You go in there frequently, you go in there every day and see what kind of value you can give, what kind of questions you can answer, and then you'll have a link in your signature to your site. And then the last way is blog commenting. You'll search like top 10 blogs in health. Let's just do that. Top 10 blogs on health. And you want to let's see. These are some here. Top 10. Okay. Best healthy living blogs, and then you're going to comment on these blogs. Okay, and you want to find blog posts that have been recent, like within the last 24 hours ideally, or at least within the last week, because some blogs don't post but once a week. But you'll go in and then you're going to comment, and you're going to read their article and make sure that you show that you've read the article and that you really care about what they wrote. And you're going to say something like, hey, I love your article, I noticed that you talked about whatever they talked about. What do you think of this review? I can't make up my mind about it and wanted to see what you think. And then you link to your page inside the comment, not under there's a place to put your name and your website. Don't put it in the website, but actually put a link to your page inside the comment. And so they don't know that this is your page, but you're asking them like what their opinion is on that. And so that comment will be there forever. And people, I for one, when I read an article, a blog article, I do read the comments below as well. And so that's a way to get traffic, that people are going to be be searching for a certain topic, and then your comment comes up. And just this is a compounding effect over time. You answering questions in the forum, in Quora, commenting on blog posts, eventually they will come up in a Google search. And so this is a really, really powerful way to get traffic to your affiliate offer in Clickbank. So that's it. Basically, you go pick a niche, create a website, create a blog post, create an article about it, talk about their problem, have a solution, have a call to action, which is to click here to get a discount. Then you drive traffic to it, and you do this every single day. It's free. It's going to take your time, but it will definitely be worth it. You'll start to get some traction. You'll get some traffic. You'll get some sales. So that is my Clickbank affiliate marketing training for beginners. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, give me a like. And if you have any questions, go ahead and leave a comment below. And if you want to learn my #1 recommendation for making money online, that'll be the first link in the description below this video. You can check that out. With that being said, this is Karen Merrill signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video.